everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Joyce, and of course this is Success Career. Everything about money is being taught. Today I'm going to be creating a PayPay account with my cell phone. So I've gotten a lot of comments on my comment section that says, Joyce, teach us how to open a PayPal account. So I'm going to do that. I promise you on my previous video where I taught on how you can earn money by reading mails, that guys, if you haven't watched that video, you should go watch it right now, because like it's one of the coolest thing I've ever known, and I think you guys are going to love it as well. How to earn money by reading mails. Now with that being said, let's go into today's video. I'm going to teach you guys on how to open a PayPal account. Now if you want to open a PayPal account with a cell phone and you do not know how to, then watch this video to get step-by-step guide on how to open your PayPal account. Of course, it's very easy, and I'm going to keep it very simple as possible. So now with that being said, let's go into today's video. Okay guys, so let's go to Google. Now let's type in PayPal. So one of the reasons I use my phone for all of this is because I want you to know that even though you have a phone, you can still make money online. So we have in login, sign up for free. It's actually free to sign up, so you don't need to pay any money. So yeah, I'm just going to put my details, so you should follow the step as well. I don't want you guys to see it, so I'm going to like code, which I'm going to put now. So it took me to this step that's telling me to put my email, my first name, my last name, create a password. These are just the normal sign up thing that you need to put in. For instance, you are going to sign in any app. So yeah, you're just going to fill in your detail. I'm going to fill in mine, but I don't want you. Okay, so let's fill in. So I had filled in those details, and it took me to this page. My nationality, date of birth, address, your address again, your city, your postcode. Postcode is the address they can use to send you a real mail in your city. So the postcode of Edo State is 30001 because I live in Edo State. So it's longer than that, but they can accept that. Then your state, you're going to put your state, and then you're going to click on stay longer. I confirm that I have read and agree. So I'm going to fill my guys. So yeah, Nigeria, tick, date of birth. So I just fill in. Guys, it's just easy. You are in. What next? Send payments and shop with ease with your new account. So it's just like that, your account is created. Now PayPal do not have an account number. The address you give, the website you give, or sorry, the Gmail address you give is your account details. Now if you want me to do another video for you guys on how to connect your PayPal account to your bank account, then you guys should leave a comment down below. And as for creating a PayPal account, this is all it takes. It's not a big deal, guys. It's as simple as this. Now do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful to you. If you want me to create a video on how to connect your PayPal to your account numbers that you can easily withdraw money, then of course you can also leave a comment down below. Now see you guys on my next. Okay guys, so that's just it. Opening a PayPal account with your cell phone, with your computer, with your laptop is very easy. So yes, you do not need to like stress yourself about it. It's just a small thing. Like I said, if you want me to make another video telling you how you can connect your PayPal account to your bank account, then of course leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.